Hello everyone, we're here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. That means that with any vehicle purchase you make, you are going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your very own chance to win $10,000. And now back to the start of the show, we have this beautiful 2017 Ram 1500 Sport Crew Cab 4x4 to show you. Under the hood, you're going to find the powerful 5.7 liter V8 HEMI engine that is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and it is shown in the gorgeous granite crystal metallic color. Down below, you'll be riding on those beautiful 20-inch aluminum wheels with tech silver pockets, they call them. And those wheels are housing a brand new set of tires. This has been fully safetied and inspected. We are going to take you through it quickly, but if you have any additional questions or you just want to get this on the road for a test drive, please don't hesitate to give us a call. I lost the beginning part of my photo, so we'll just throw in a few photos here. So you have a beautiful black interior, power mirrors, windows, and locks. Your mirrors are also power folding and heated, lots of storage in the door. Your driver's seat is fully adjustable with lumbar support. Mats and carpets are in excellent condition. You have a great sporty finish on your seats, and they are also heated, so you're going to be cozy warm in the winter. Moving back into the video footage, on your steering wheel is also leather wrapped and heated. You have cruise control, including shifting options on your right. On your left, Bluetooth and hands-free, dash selection buttons, and audio-mounted controls behind the steering wheel, fully automatic headlights, and a tilt option. And then moving into the dash, you have 122,163 kilometers on here currently, and then you have a large menu of information to scroll through, each with their own sub-menu, so take a second to explore that a bit further with your sales advisor. Over to the right, of course, you have your ignition, and on your key, what I didn't show you in the beginning was also that this does have a remote start, so that's also great for the winter. Nice clean dash area, added stitching for detailing, and into your UConnect entertainment system, you have your AM, FM, and satellite capability for your radio options. And then for your media itself, you can connect through USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. Moving into the control screen, you have again the two different settings for your heated seat and then steering wheel, and then an app screen, so you can take any of those icons and customize that bottom menu to your liking. Climate control, you can turn the screen off, and a screen dedicated specifically to help you pair your phone. You also have a great backup camera. Moving on down, you have your dial shifting knob with 4x4 options, all of the manual buttons for your climate and media, traction control, tow haul, and the manual buttons for your heated seat and steering wheel. An AC outlet to the right, a 12-volt outlet in the middle, two large cup holders, a top shallow space in your console, houses the rest of your media ports, and then down below you have plenty of extra space. We'll give you a quick pan through on the passenger side, again in great condition. And then you have a glove compartment down below and additional space above that. And then you have illuminated vanity mirrors, garage door transmitters, your rear sliding window, and interior cabin lighting. As we head into the back, the door opens nice and wide, so it makes it really easy to get anything in and out. Again, side steps helping you in. Storage behind both seats, a 12-volt outlet in the middle, an armrest with two cup holders. This is the 60-40 split back here, so the bottoms of the seats lift up easily. You have storage underneath this side and a panel that comes out on both sides, so you get a nice flat traveling surface, and then you have storage bins beneath the feet. So very comfortable, versatile back area for any passengers or cargo. And then you have a tonneau cover on here as well. As you can see, your rear sliding window, the back bed is lined for added durability. It's illuminated back here, and you have tie-down hooks in the four corners. So as you can see, that was just a super quick tour. This is a beautiful truck. If you have any questions or just want to get this on the road for a test drive, we'd love to give you a hand with any of that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.